Hey, Nina Lewis here from Nina Online, and today, I want to talk about what you can sell online, because a lot of people are inboxing me ever since I put up the Make 1K Online, and are like, well, how can I make 1K online? The truth is, you're going to have something to sell. So how do you find out what you can sell? So I always like to do this, exercise your sweet spot, which usually means what you're really good at and what you like to do and what people are willing to pay you for. So how do you find out what people are willing to pay you for? Because here's the thing, let me tell you a little story real quick. When I was going out, when I first started my business, I was networking went to networking event after networking event, and I was telling people, oh, I'm a writer, and they're like, well, I don't want writing, I want you to do social media. At that time, I knew how to do social media, but I wasn't as proficient as I am now in social media because that wasn't my focus. My focus was writing, and I'm like, well, I don't want to sell you writing. I don't want to sell you, social media. I want to sell you writing because I'm a writer, and nobody budged on my writing, okay? So what happened was I listened to what the market wanted, and as soon as I started offering social media, my business blossomed more than it was with my writing from other people. But the thing is, so you have to find something to sell. And how can you find out what people want? It starts with doing some research. So I want to give you a few ways to do research. Okay, the first way, you could do a survey. You can go to a free survey site like SurveyMonkey, or I think the other one is like Pop Survey. They have a lot of different survey sites where you could do a 1 to 3 question survey and ask people what they really want from you. Okay. And sometimes you want to do a survey, when you do a survey, you don't want to ask too many questions, and you never want to ask them what they're going to want to pay, because they'll tell you what they're willing to pay, and then when it comes time for the pricing, they'll do something totally different. But that's a different story. Another way, which I love to do, is actually go to whatever you want to sell, right? Go to somebody's website, quote unquote, your competitor's website, and see what they're selling, see how they're selling it, see how they're talking to their audience. And a perfect way to do that is social media. On social media, you can go to their Facebook page, Twitter page, you can see what they're promoting, you can see what questions their audience is asking them, and you can rest assured that if that audience is asking your competitors that question, some of those questions, you can guarantee that you can sell the same service, and that you're going to have customers that will be asking you the same questions, or customers that you can serve where you can sell your product or service. So before you start selling, you probably think that you have like the next big thing since sliced bread, which is fine. We're all passionate about our ideas, but if nobody's buying, you're never going to make $1,000 or more online. So the first step is finding out what you can sell and finding out what the people really want from you. So do me that favor. This is your little homework today. Go ahead and number 1, create a survey. Ask people, hey, what do they want? Number 2, when you figure out what you want to sell, go to about 1 to 3 competitors' websites and see how they're selling their product, and see what the people are talking about in reference to their product, okay, a product or service. Until next time, Nina Lewis signing out. Talk to you later. Bye.